Guess what? Star have an exciting competition where you can win one of these. All you have to do is guess the combined cycle time of all of the 16 components here in front of me that make up the StarSaber. In true MTD fashion, obviously we have to find out about the engineering that has gone into the StarSaber first.
I'm Alec Warner, I'm the Operations Manager here at GB. This is the StarSaber. This is Mark III StarSaber, so we've been doing these since 2016 and we've absolutely smashed it out of the park with this version. On this version there's 16 really challenging parts, all done on Star machines ranging from the ST38 down to our SB-20R G. Like previous versions, this version also lights up with the electronics that we've built into it. Regarding the engineering, the most challenging parts are done on the SR38, these two. We've got the body, various machining operations, balance milling, balance turning, engraving included, and the hilt at the bottom of the StarSaber, again, balance turning, balance milling, lots of milling on the back end. The next two parts are done on the ST38, again, deep hole drilling, threading, milling. This is the coupling part, again, a little bit simpler, but various operations in turning, grooving and threading. Then we go to the SR20J2. We've got a red acrylic plastic component, and again these side extensions in aluminium. These components here were done on the SR20R4, prismatic machining, engraving, and finally we've got the shaft component, which we actually did on an SB-20R G, long parts mode, ideal for doing this type of component. We really love a challenge here at Star GB, and this version really pushed the capabilities of not only the engineering team, but our machines as well. So I'll be really interested to see what guesses come in.
It's simple. Click the link below with your cycle time guess and you'll be in with a chance to win one of these StarSabers. It's that easy.